Hello everyone and welcome to the OpenShot video tutorial on how to overlay text on a video clip. Method number 1, using the built-in title feature in OpenShot Video Editor. Top left of your screen in the menu section you'll find a title button. Press that and it will bring up the titles dialog. There's a wide array of options in the title dialog. You can for instance see some of them with graphics like the beginning of the movie's parental guidance warning and other such features. You can have text in the bottom right hand corner, left hand corner, all over the place. There are just a bevy of options here, and something should probably fulfill your needs. You have control over not just the text that you can put in, but you can also adjust the font if you want, and you can adjust the font color. Once you have the title set up the way you want, OpenShot will create a small clip for it. All you have to do is place that in your video and size it to cover the amount of video footage that you want. What you'll be left with is text overlaid over your video. The duration will be for however long you specified when you sized the title clip. Alright, so let's talk about method number 2 now. This is going to involve the use of something like Photoshop Elements, Photoshop, GIMP, or some other kind of graphics editing software. You're going to want to do this if you want a little bit more control over the text on the screen and how it looks. You're going to want to start with an image that's the same size as the video resolution you're recording. 1920 by 1080 is pretty typical. This is going to give you the power to put as much text on the screen as you want, wherever you want it. You can move around on the right, left, wherever you want to go. More importantly, you're going to be able to have a lot more control over the font, the text, and the styles that are applied to it when you use a program like Photoshop. For instance, here you can see I'm applying an outer glow and I'm going to make it pink instead of gold, and I can adjust the opacity and all sorts of other things. This gives you so much more control over the text that ends up on your video overlay. In order for this image to become an overlay in your video, it has to be saved as transparent. That means you have to remove the background that you were using. You should use layers when you're using a program like Photoshop, and that will easily allow you to remove the background layer and then save the text as a transparent PNG. Once it's transparent, then you can easily import it into your program and overlay it over your video. There's our text overlaid, and it's not blocking the video at all because it's transparent. Once you export your video, play it, and you'll see that the text shows up. The duration it'll be on the screen is for however long you stretch that particular clip when you overlaid it across the video. The neat thing about using a program like Photoshop is that you can do so much more than just overlay text on the screen. For instance, you can use drawing tools to draw the user's attention to a particular thing you want them to see on the screen. For instance, here I've taken a screenshot of the video at a particular point in time, and I've drawn circles over some lanterns that I want the user to notice as they go through the video. Once I've drawn what I want on the screen, then I'll just use the layers to remove the background image of the screenshot I took and save the file as a transparent PNG. Then it's just a matter of importing it into OpenShot and laying it over the appropriate portion of the video. The end result is that at a specific time in the video, the graphics show up and draw the user's attention to a specific point in the screen. It's a pretty neat effect that could be useful in a wide variety of video applications. That concludes the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it useful. I'm Colors Fade and this is Colors Fade's gaming channel. One additional programming note. I do these tutorial videos because I hate what is on YouTube. Most tutorial makers want to spend the first 5 minutes of the video wasting your time and trying to get you to subscribe to their channel. So I make these no-nonsense tutorials so that you can get the information you need up front at the beginning of the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and if there's something you want to see me do a tutorial on, just let me know. Thanks for watching.